Phone a ring, blood. Yo, blood, what one? Jeez, man, straight into that. Man, like Big Fraze. Boop, 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 boop. Madman.
Flavor Station.
Yo, G.
You know I got cravings.
Yeah, don't know.
What you got for the big man?
Special things, blood.
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are cooking for the one and only Fraser Clark, medal winner, champion boxer, all-round bad boy. And I'm telling you, I'm going to smash it because I do not want that to be my head. No. So, we're going to start off with some brioche buns. Just buy them. Ed Sheeran album, 10 cheesy singles, a onion, some gem lettuce, gherkin, mayo, ketchup, yellow mustard, all them good things. Now, the patties. If you want to know how to make these, the link is in the description for the patty recipe. I ain't going to show you how to make them, but still, hit the like button, subscribe, you know the steez. Now, the burgers are going to shrink down when you cook them, so you want to make them a little bit bigger than your bun. You see it? Now, we're going to make the burger sauce, or the mac sauce, or whatever you want to call this sauce. 2 tablespoons of mayo. Let's squeeze this out. Yeah, let's open that, squeeze that. 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup, little teaspoon of yellow mustard, you can use Dijon, and a little 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. Pinch of salt and paprika, and you're in. Mixer, you don't know the steers. Look at that burger sauce, blood. No messing. Tangy, sweet, creamy. Now your lettuce, chop that. Onion. Now just chop this rough. We're going to saute them. We're going to give it a little crispy onion. Just that fairground flavour. You know them burgers, blood. You smell them onions on the air and it's dank. You know when you're craving them things. Oh my gosh. Just chop them anyhow because the sugars inside are going to caramelise. It's going to be beautiful, bloody. Then we're just going to roughly slice our gherkins. Now, we're just chopping all this up because it's just easier to have it all ready. And then we're going to cook it all. Now, little pan. Sunflower oil, get that nice and hot. See it there? See how it's loose? Bang, onions in there. Pinch of salt, pick out any skin. Yeah, man, break them up a little bit. Jeez. We're gonna come behind all this with some garlic salt. If you ain't got garlic salt, just use garlic and salt. Soon as it's browning off, add your garlic salt. Trust me, gives it a next level flavor. All that salt draws the moisture out your onion, makes them caramelize and go all golden brown. Texture like sun, you know the stays. We're making a burger for Big Fraze Clark, man. Can't be messing about in ya. Nice hot pan. There's your bun, already sliced. Hot pan, dry pan though. I'm just gonna toast the bun up a little piece. See it there? Yeah, man, look how soft she is. We can make them, but, you know, it is what it is. Little tablespoon of sunflower oil yet again. And we're coming in with the patties. Get your pan nice and hot. Griddle pans work well too. George Foreman, anything. Just make sure you press that down. Stop them curling up and going weird in the middle. You want them evenly cooked. Nice amount of fat in them burgers. You want to use 18%. But, as I said, link in description for the recipe for the patties, bloody. Yo, I need to calm down. I don't know what's got into me today. Yeah, I used the splash guard. Stop the oil. Now flip them. See it there? Mackies ain't got nothing on man, blood. You want them big boy burgers. Big Fraser Clark burger. No messing, blood. Look. See how them shrink down? See me say the bun have to be bigger? Yeah, man. That should line up nicely with the bun. Once you tap them and they're firm, they're cooked. Oh my days. Look at that. They're cooked. Now, let's assemble. Avengers! Assemble the burger. Burger sauce. Lettuce. Use romaine. Use iceberg. Use baby gem. Don't matter. Lettuce. Crunch. Watery sweetness. Onion there. See the onion there? Oh my lord. Can you imagine how sweet that is? Gherkin. Slurping the gherkin. Gherkin on the burger. Yeah, man. Gherkin on the burger now. Then we come with the Yeah, boy. Look on this up. Yeah, boy. Cheese and beef. Double burger. No messing. You want to get some more burger sauce on the lid? You can just use ketchup. Chopped onion. I'm going to put the cooked onion on there. And it's just simple. It's easy. Pat that down. Don't squash it though. Oh my god. There's the money shot, baby. It's a boxing burger. We've smashed it, blood. We've smashed it. Yeah, man. Look, juicy patties, creamy sauce, cheese, sharp gherkin, sweet onion. Yo, big phrase, big things. Thanks for watching Flavour Chasers and boxing fans. Watch a video on the left, subscribe in the middle, playlist on the right. Love you, bye.